kids I know laugh at me. I'm tall and skinny and can't see. I must look like Pinocchio. The strings they pull sure hurt me so. They say I've got a wooden head. I'm not too bright, that's what they say. Look at him, there goes Pinocchio. He sure puts on a funny show. Pinocchio, he couldn't laugh or fall in love. He couldn't do a thing. He couldn't move or even talk unless they pulled his string. And that's the way I've been, just a waiting and a wondering when I'd come to life just like Pinocchio. A puppet's life was hard to live, but then you came with love to give. I feel just like Pinocchio. The strings you pull sure move me so. I'd come to life just like Pinocchio. Love and life comes to